While everyone in Texas woke up to some snow and stayed home, I decided to drive out to Six Flags to check out Tormenta because there has been a major milestone since our last video. I know, most people are at home staying warm, but I was low-key getting pretty bored and I was missing Six Flags, so I really wanted to go and see Tormenta. And driving up, I know I keep saying this, but this coaster is huge. Every time I go up to see it, I'm just wowed with the size of this coaster. And if you haven't guessed it yet, the Immelmann inversion has officially been complete. And it's cool to see that because last time we were here, they had just started to put the track up. And a little fun fact about this element, this is the world's tallest Immelmann at 218 feet, which is insane, and I bet this will be one of my favorite moments on the ride. When you drive by the Immelmann, it is just massive, and 218 feet, it's a lot of coasters' maximum height, and it's Tormenta's first inversion, which is so cool. And besides the Immelmann being complete, looking back at this footage, there is a little piece of track peeking above the fence, and I believe this is the drop off the midcourse, but I could be wrong, so we will see in a couple weeks. Other than that, it doesn't appear that much else has happened in the park side of the construction. They might have put another piece of the loop in, but it's hard to tell. Unfortunately, I do feel like the snow has made them take a quick pause, so I hope they can get moving again soon. But now it is time to drive by the staging lot. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe because I am so close to 500 subscribers and I have a fun little announcement for y'all once I hit my goal, so stay tuned. There has definitely been a lot of movement of track within this lot, and now there is like no track in here. It's so sad to see all the track get moved around, but I'm happy because then this coaster will be complete. In the staging lot, there is only a few pieces of track and a couple of supports, which also means we are getting closer to track completion, which then leads to testing. I personally am so happy I was able to go and drive by the ride in the snow and give y'all this footage because it's so cool to see our newest coaster in the snow or ice or whatever you want to call what we have. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to check out my playlist where I have all the updates for this roller coaster so far. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and stay safe.